Welcome to our discussion on why VPNs, virtual private networks, are indispensable for smartphone users in today's digital age. With the increasing prevalence of cyber threats and privacy concerns, safeguarding your online activities has never been more critical. Let's explore why VPNs are essential tools for protecting your privacy and security on smartphones. Protecting your privacy and security. VPNs create a secure and encrypted connection between your smartphone and the internet. 2. Securing public Wi-Fi. By using a VPN on your smartphone, you can encrypt your data and protect yourself from potential threats on unsecured Wi-Fi networks. 4. Preventing tracking and targeted advertising. VPNs mask your IP address and location, reducing the risk of invasive tracking and profiling. Using a VPN on your smartphone is essential for safeguarding your privacy and security in today's interconnected world. In an era where online privacy and security are paramount, VPNs serve as invaluable tools for smartphone users seeking to protect their digital lives. By encrypting your internet connection, bypassing geo-restrictions, and safeguarding your personal data, VPNs offer peace of mind in an increasingly interconnected world. Thank you for joining us, and stay safe online.